Hi, my name is Bosun Memon. I am the founder and creator of the game, Evivve, the leadership game, for which this role has opened up. And I thought it would be prudent for me to put a video together to sort of introduce the role and tell you a little bit about our expectations. So this is an incredibly critical role at Evive, and as the name describes it, behavioral designer for game and website in the discipline of user interface and user experience. It is exactly that. The role involves understanding the intended objective of a page and designing the interaction and the visual elements based on that. The work will range from designing the UI and UX of a page to designing the art or the hero banner to defining the art style for the brand to working on the user interface of the game itself. As you can see, this role spans across the marketing and product departments. Therefore, the reporting of this role is going to be tied to the leader of the project in priority. So, in some cases, you might be working with the product leader. In other cases, you might be working with the marketing leader. The role will report to all the stakeholders when you're working on multiple projects. At Evive, we're a small team of passionate professionals who have already walked the corporate path and choose to do something different. Something that will not only serve as the crowning jewel of our careers, but also make a significant impact in the world. As the founder of this company, I am deeply passionate about influencing change through games. And what are games if not intelligently designed experiences to influence behavior? I say this to say that I will be working very, very closely with this role. So expect to be frustrated most of the time. Well, that's because I have a fairly and unreasonably, in some cases, high expectations. But the only saving grace in all of this is that I expect that of myself before I expect that from anyone else in my team. Now, as far as applying for this role is concerned, of course, it's not going to be as easy as clicking the easy apply button. I'm expecting you to join me in building my vision, one that I have been nursing and curating for the last 7 years. And I'd be a fool to just hand it to anyone who fits the bill as far as skills are concerned. I'm looking for more than just skills. I want to know who you are. I want to know how you think. And so I'll ask you to work on an assignment with me. And for that, I'm very, very grateful for your time. This is how I will learn about you and your work in the context of mine. It usually takes me 60 seconds to know because I like to operate from an understanding of a full yes. I believe that if it's not a full yes, it's a no. And that's just how it is. So you can rest assured that I will not waste your time. And lastly, I'm more than happy to pay you for your efforts. Please take a close look at the how to apply section of the job post to get a detailed understanding of what we're offering for you to do this assignment. I do hope to see your work and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If this is the kind of role for you, then I'm looking forward to working with you. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic day.